Here we are again with some super fun math challenges that you are going to love as much as Tiger does.
I'm getting so excited. What math challenge do we have for today?
We learn how to divide 4-digit numbers by a 1-digit number. Division: 4-digit by 1-digit. Level 1 Introduction. Divide a 4-digit number by a single-digit number. Let's see how to divide a 4-digit number by a single-digit number. Let's divide 6,326 by 2. We write the division bracket and write 2 outside the bracket and 6,326 inside the bracket. Step 1. We figure out how many 2's does it take to make 6, which is 3. Step 2. We multiply 2 and 3, we get 6. Step 3. We subtract 6 minus 6 equals 0. Step 4. Next, we bring down the number in hundreds place, which is 3. So the number now is 3. We repeat the steps. We divide again. We figure out how many 2's does it take to make 3 or almost 3, which is 1. We multiply 2 and 1, we get 2. We subtract 3 minus 2 equals 1. Next, we bring down the number in tens place, which is 2. So the number now becomes 12. We figure out how many 2's does it take to make 12, which is 6. We multiply 2 and 6, we get 12. We subtract 12 from 12, we get 0. Next, we bring down the number in ones place, which is 6. So the number now is 6. We figure out how many 2's does it take to make 6, which is 3. We multiply 2 and 3, we get 6. We subtract 6 minus 6 equals 0. We stop division because 0 is less than 2. So the quotient is 3,163 and the remainder is 0. Let's look at another example. 4,429 by 3. We write the division bracket and write 3 outside the bracket and 4,429 inside the bracket. Step 1. We figure out how many 3's does it take to make 4 or almost 4, which is 1. Step 2. We multiply 3 and 1, we get 3. Step 3. We subtract 4 minus 3 equals 1. Step 4. Next, we bring down the number in hundreds place, which is 4. So the number now becomes 14. We figure out how many 3's does it take to make 14, or almost 14, which is 4. We multiply 3 and 4, we get 12. We subtract 14 minus 12 equals 2. Next, we bring down the number in tens place, which is 2. So the number now becomes 22. We figure out how many 3's does it take to make 22, or almost 22, which is 7. We multiply 3 and 7, we get 21. We subtract 21 from 22, we get 1. Next, we bring down the number in ones place, which is 9. So the number now becomes 19. We repeat the steps. We divide again. We figure out how many 3's does it take to make 19, which is 6. We multiply 3 and 6, we get 18. We subtract 18 from 19, we get 1. We stop division because 1 is less than 3. So the quotient is 1476 and the remainder is 1.
So, just like we did with the 3-digit numbers, in 4-digit numbers too, we make the division bracket and follow the proper division steps.
That's the way to do it.